Hello, good morning, everybody. February 1st, Saturday morning. I just got in some recent pickup acquisitions here. Thought I'd do just a real quick video, show you guys what I got. Not really buying a lot at these prices. Um, we're at, actually, I think silver's at about $18 an ounce. But let's get into it. Not a lot, like I said. Half of this came from Universal Coin. I had a pretty good deal on the 2020 American Silver Eagles. So we'll show those off here. And you got to be a little careful with Universal. They run really good deals. They usually limit you to 6 Eagles or something. And they might be offering like $1 or $1.50 over spot. But it takes them a while to process the order. And you always have to call in. And then when you call in, you have to speak to a specialist who tries to sell you some gold or something. You just got to tell them, no, I only want the deal today. But it is what it is. I do that from time to time. Haven't had any major issues, but I have had to email them about orders a couple times, checking the status and whatnot. But hey, what can I say? Got a good deal on these. They just came in, so I'm happy. Look at that beautiful 2020s. This is probably my favorite bullion coin. And they're going to be changing it next year, so that'll be interesting. I'm not a fan of big changes, but we'll see. Hopefully they don't wreck it, because it's a great coin. But anyways, I got 4 of those. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Eagles. And then I said, what the heck, I'll get one of those anniversary kookaburras, 30th anniversary. These are really nice. It's got a matte and then polished surfaces, polished fields, 1990 to 2020. And they minimized the queen. They put her at the top. And then, so this is probably the original kookaburra image from 1990. Right there. And then on the reverse, just an okay design there. Nothing spectacular, but not bad. So that's pretty good. Birth mint. 4.9's fine. Alright, so I'm a big fan of the Krugerrands, but unfortunately you do get a lot of milk spots, but I figured, hey, what the heck, I'll order the 2020, see how that one turns out. And of course my luck, it is milk spotted. I don't know exactly who makes these. Let's see if we can show it. It might not show up on the camera. I don't know if they use a third party to produce these, or if they do it in-house, or if it's like a pseudo-private government mint. It's not really showing up. There's no real milk spotting on the reverse. And there you have the nice 2020 edition. And I do like the design. I really wish they had a little better quality control on these, because they're a nice coin. Very nice coin. And I just learned they had a micro security feature to the left of the bottom of the landscape under the Impala. It does say Krugerrand in minuscule tiny font that won't show up on this camera, but it does say Krugerrand right there. I wonder if just for ha-has I could show you real quick with a loop, but it probably won't show up. Let's see. Probably won't work, so... Yeah, you can kind of see right under there. That's where it says Krugerrand. Just barely see it. So, pretty cool. But then, I guess the big order was from Intaglio Mint, the first coins I've ever purchased from them. I do like this one. They do a nice mercury dime. I think they do it in both the 2 ounce and the 1 ounce. So I'm going to try not to get my fingerprints all over it. But very nice coin. I think they call these the Modern Tribute Series. They do a lot of the old traditional American coinage. But very nice, and they have extremely good attention to detail. So, yeah. Nice 1 ounce version. It's a great design. I also got the Walking Liberty. Well, no, this is the, what do they call this? Well, it's the St. Gaudens. St. Gaudens Eagle. These are really nice, extremely high relief 2 ounce coin. Nice and chunky, reeded edge. But boy, does the intaglio mint do an amazing job. You know, it's probably hard to see on here, but super high relief coin. And it's got a beautiful representation. I don't own the gold version, but maybe someday. So anyways, that's a beautiful coin right there. And then the most interesting perhaps was this one. Got the Trump coin. And this is kind of like an ancient tribute. They do ancient tributes, which probably has images like this, or Greek heads. But this is a super cool coin. And I voted for Trump. I think he's doing okay, but I definitely critique him a lot. There's always room for improvement. So hopefully he does a decent job through the end of this term, and hopefully he gets a second term, in my humble opinion. But these are just really cool. How's about that? Now, I did drop it. I was flipping it around. I think I scratched his nose, but it's not a big deal. This is really more of a pocket piece. I'd probably never sell it. And the funny thing about these, they already acquitted him in the impeachment trial, but if he did get impeached or if he did really screw up, nobody would want to buy these, But it's interesting. The reverse is pretty cool. They got a chariot race going. Could be a Roman triumph. I don't know if that's supposed to be Trump. I don't think it is. But I do like the year in the numerals. 2020. It's really cool. And they always hide the fineness and the silver content. They put it really small in this coin. It's unbelievable. It's almost like that Krugerrand security feature, but that would be another hard part, trying to sell these to like a coin shop. They'd be like, what's the fineness on it? Can't even read it. Can't even focus on it. But right there it does say, let's see, camera doesn't want to focus. Is it me? Am I too shaky? Not sure. Yeah, right there. That's probably as good an image as we'd get. Very small. 2 ounce, 999 AG. But beautiful coin. Love what they've done with the edge, just the white metal, very roughed out. The funny thing on this one, you can see some reading in there. I don't know what process they used to beat up the edge, but I think it started as a reeded planchet, perhaps. Because that definitely looks like a little bit of reading that didn't get bumped out. But this is a big chunky 2 ounce. I really like it. Now these were expensive, a lot heavy premium over spot. This was about $22.50 or so. This one there was about $22.50 or so. And these coins, if they look like this from the Tribute series, I think these were about $24.50 per ounce. So very heavy premium, but a nice little acquisition. They're not going to be the core of your stack, but boy, does Intaglio knock it out of the park. I mean, they're the only ones doing coins this amazing. I was going to show you real quick. I did have another Trump coin. Hold on one moment. So this one's from the Silver Shield series. You've probably all seen it. I thought these were pretty cool. I have a few of these. It's neat when someone comes up with a good design that's interesting. This is an incuse, pretty cool. You don't see incuse too often. Just a funny little slogan for people who don't like Trump or like Trump. That would be an alright slogan, I guess. And then they got that cool reverse matte finish. I've had this for a long time. I do like these from Silver Shield. They come out some kind of cringe-worthy designs sometimes, but I would like to get some more. I love that. They do a good job. There's never... The ones I've had, I haven't seen any milk spotting or anything, and they do a great matte finish. I think I think they're made by the Golden State Mint, is who produces it. If you go on their website, goldenstatemint.com, they're running deals, and they got free shipping now over $99. That was the other thing. The Intaglio Mint, you do pay for shipping. So that's USPS flat rate box. I think it's $8. My box came a little bit wrecked, but it survived. Anyways, I'm going to cut it off there. I hope everybody has a good weekend. And I hope the precious metals stay strong for 2020 and we don't all die of coronavirus. Have a good one.